And during this process, I have lost a lot of my hair. RIP. Please grow back soon. Thank you. Hi guys, hope you are doing good. So today we are going to test out something new. Today I have these heatless curlers which I got from Amazon. I wanted to test them out since a long time and I saw a lot of people using it on my Instagram. So I got them for around 200 to 300 rupees and it has almost 7 colors and I don't think so ये 7 colors मेरे बालों का कुछ कर पाएंगे. I have naturally wavy kinda straight hair and I love curly hairs, but heat वाले curler से it takes hours to curl my hair and और जो उसके बाद जो डैमेज होता है ना बालों का, you can't imagine. And then do not मक्खी. I do not really like to apply those setting sprays on my hair because उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज होता है बालों का and my hair are already colored as you can see. तो हुआ ही होगा थोड़ा बहुत डैमेज, तो कुछ तो हम प्रिवेंट कर ही सकते हैं ना. So I got these curlers, like in total 7 curlers and I don't think so मेरे पूरे बालों पे 7 curlers का कुछ होने वाला है. एक पैक में 7 ही आए थे तो I bought only 1. Let's see how it works. Here's the closer look to the curler. Here we have a rubber thing right here through which we will pass this thing and grab my hair through this hook and pull this through. And then पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. Let's see. Let's test this out. So your hair should be semi-dry. My hair is almost dried, so I have to spray some water over it and I'll be right back. I'm gonna start with sectioning my hair and make sure मेरे पास in total 7 curlers हैं, तो I will see कि front part at least मेरा color से cover हो जाए. Back one is just, we can ignore the back part, right? Let's start with sectioning my hair. I'm gonna do this step really quickly and make sure there is no tangle in it. Take this rod, pass it through this hair curler. Where is my... yeah. I'll twist it twice ताकि ये easily hook में अड़ जाए. Oh god. Yes. Let's pass it through. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ah, this was easy. मेक श्योर कि आपके बाल इनफ वेट हो, बिकॉज अगर आपके ज़्यादा बाल वेट नहीं होने वाले ना तो it's gonna stuck in this thing. Okay, so make sure ये proper wet हो, like almost 70 to 80% wet. 70 to 80% ड्राई होने चाहिए, एटलीस्ट 20% आपके वेट होने चाहिए ताकि ये कर्लर में भी easily stuck हो जाए and it gives you a nice curls in the morning or maybe in 6 to 7 hours or whatever. आपको जितनी देर रखना हो आप उतनी देर रख सकते हो. Let's do the second part. See, ये बाहर निकल गया ना इससे. अब इसके बाद मैं ना फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगी क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट टू शो यू द होल प्रोसेस. लाइक इफ विल टेक 20 to 30 minutes to pull through this one, but you'll see the struggle in fast motion. I guess it कुछ ज़्यादा ही नीचे हो गया. I will try to pull this up. Let's do this again. You have to roll this. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे pull कर दूँगी because मेरे बाल नीचे से निकल रहे हैं. And this one is not long enough कि मेरे पूरे hair length को cover कर सके. I'm gonna pull this thing up. इतना सा रहने देंगे बाहर. Roll, roll, roll. Duh. It's okay. Maybe. I'll just pull it back, यार. Wait, ठीक है, बस इतना ठीक है. It's okay. थोड़ा सा चलता है. Let's do this one in fast motion. Applied this curlers in my front part and मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही hair color and my back hair are still left. I'm not gonna apply anymore. Maybe I'll apply one more right here. Maybe. Should I apply one more? And during this process I have lost a lot of my hair. RIP. Please grow back soon. Thank you. It's all done now. Nobody knows about it. Shh. So I'm gonna leave this overnight. It's almost 9 right now. I'll have my dinner, then I'll sleep and I'll maybe open it around 11. It will be good enough time to take them rest in this curls and maybe kuch acha mere balon se nikle. Let's see how it works. I'll see you in the morning. See ya. Guys, good morning. It's the very next day and I can't wait to open this. First of all, please ignore that voice because I can't do anything. यहाँ पे construction चल रहा है and I can't stop that voice. So, and I can't even stop these vehicles. सुबह का टाइम है, ये चीज़ होने वाली है. So please ignore that if possible. मुझे पता नहीं होने वाला but it's okay. I have made this क्यूट सा छोटू सा बन पीछे so that ले लो यार. It's already like 9 hours and I can't wait to open this, so let's do this. I'll start with removing the back portion first. 1 2 3 and ooh, nice. This looks so good, you all. This looks so good. I'm not gonna brush it up because मुझे पता है मेरे बाल बहुत सिल्की हैं और वो खुल जाएंगे. I am gonna leave this like that only and yeah, this looks so good. I'll highly recommend you to get these because temporary basis के लिए these are so good. ये already खुलना शुरू हो गया है. You need to spray some hair setting spray if you want to make them stay all day long. All day long तो नहीं रुकने वाले हैं ये, but still for 2 to 3 hours these are gonna last. And if you want to protect your hair and do not want to damage it but still want curls, then this is the best option. I'm definitely gonna buy another pack and will try on rest of my hair as well. I uploaded on my Instagram, which is right here. You can follow me there and check out amazing hacks and cool videos that I amazing videos that I make on my Instagram, and don't forget to follow me there. One I'll link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so I have styled my hair like this, and this looks so good. This is after like almost 2 hours. I'm shooting a video. I shot few reels, and this is how my curls looks like. This side is almost open, बस ये थोड़े थोड़े curls नीचे रह गए, and this like looks good. So yeah, I will give this like maybe a 7 out of 10. It did a pretty good job. The links for the rollers will be given in the description box, so do check them out. And yeah, you can follow me on my Instagram as well. The link will be given down below. And that's it for this video. Hope you find this video helpful. I will see you in my next video. Bye.